It's the beginning of a memory system.
Sandbox, the overarching goal is a persistent file system. My medium-term goal is get rid of the file system that we built and replace it with Sandbox file systems. So that means we have a Sandbox page that Sid can go to where he can create sandboxes, and he can also see all the sandboxes that he's created. Each time you spin up that sandbox, it should take a snapshot of the end state, save that into Supabase, so that when you send your next prompt, it's spinning up it's continuing on the same file system that you already had. If you had just told it to remember this piece of information about you and it saved it to the claude.md file, when you send the next prompt, it should still remember that. If we tell it to update a progress file every time it spins up a sandbox before the sandbox spins down, when the next sandbox spins up, it should be able to look at that progress doc and know the last things that it did, so that if we're using it for tasks or for Pulse, it can review that progress doc and know exactly what it literally just worked on and the timestamps it did it.
It's the beginning of a memory system.
It's the beginning of a persistent file system, which is the memory system. Yeah, everybody gets their own memory system, and we can spin up infinite amounts of those in whatever context we want.